Good morning year one and welcome to Tuesday's Phonics. Now today I'm going to start with a little shout out to a very clever girl who has sent me a lovely video in of her doing these sounds before me. So as I go through the sounds and I say j, w, she's shouting out before I've even done it, and that little girl is Poppy Griffiths. So big thumbs up to Poppy, well done. Let's see if anyone else can send me a video of you beating me to the sounds, okay? Off we go. J. V. W. X. Y. Z. Z. Qu. Ch. Sh. Ng. A. E. Yesterday's sound was I. Oh no, it wasn't. We did this one as well. We did O. Oh, we've done both of those now. And today's sound is the O and the O. And when we put an O and an O together, it makes a sound like a cuckoo. Because it can make two sounds. It can go O, oo, O, oo, O, oo, like a cuckoo. Because sometimes it sounds like an O and sometimes it sounds like an oo. Let's have a little listen to our song.
Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Who wants to be a cuckoo? Ooh, 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 ooh.
Lovely. Okay, so it's a O, oo, O, oo. And when we have a little look at our words, you will see why it sometimes sounds like an O and why it sometimes sounds like an oo sound. So we're going to have a go at our oo activity. And today is Tuesday Bingo Day. Okay, so you need to get your whiteboards and your pens ready. We're going to have a little game of bingo. Make sure you grab a grown-up or a brother or a sister. Now I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words on my board today. So we're going to read these words together. I want you to read them with me on the screen. And then I want you to choose 6 and write them down. So let's read them together first. Now this side has got an oo sound. Okay, so we're going to go m, oo, n, moon. Next one, sp, oo, n, spoon, spoon. The next one, z, oo, zoom, like a rocket zooms off into space. And r, oo, f, roof. Now when you come to these words on this side, they've got the same letters and it's so tricky. But they actually sound like an U, like up for umbrella. Because let's read it with the oo sound and see if it makes sense. If we said w-ood, w-ood, wooed. Doesn't sound like a word, does it? Let's try it with the U sound. So it says w-o-d, wood. Is that a word? Yes, it is. Chop a piece of wood up. Okay? So wood. The next one is g-o-d, good. F-o-t, foot. And w-o-l, wool. So when you see a word that's got an O and an O in, try it with both sounds and see which one makes sense. So if you try m-o-n, mun, you know that doesn't make sense. So you would try it with the oo sound, m-oon, moon. And again over here, if we tried f-oot, foot, doesn't make sense. So we try the U sound, f-oot, foot. Okay, so it can either say oo or O. Okay, So pause the screen on your video now, and I want you to write 6 of these words down onto your whiteboard. Ask your grown-up or your brother or sister to also write 6 words down, but don't write the same ones as each other because we want to see who the winner is, okay? So choose 6. Give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Okay, now I'm going to shout a word out, and I want you to put a circle around your word when I call your word out, okay? And we're going to see who is the first to win bingo. Now, if you circle all 6, make sure you shout bingo at your screen, and we'll see who's the winner. Okay, let's go. First word is G or D. G or D. Good. Put a circle round it if you have got it. The next one is spoon. 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 Put a circle round it if you have got it. Your next word is wool. The sheep has got lots of wool. Wool. Put a circle round it if you've got wool. Your next word is moon. Moon. Next one is roof. 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 Put a circle round it if you got it. Okay. Your next one is foot. Okay, now I've done 6, so some of you might be shouting bingo by now. If you're not, you've got 2 left, so listen carefully for your next word. Let's see if you get it on this one. It is zoom. Zoom. Zoom to the moon. Okay. And the last one, if you haven't got your bingo yet, you should get it now. So shout bingo at me and hold your screens up for your grown-up to take a picture of your words. Bingo! Well done, everybody. Okay, so we've got some super words here. Okay. And I think you know what's going to come next, don't you? Rub your boards clean. And we're going to write a sentence using one of these words. So choose a word to write your sentence with. You might want to write 2 sentences. You might choose 2 of the words to put into a sentence. So let's think, what can we do? I think I'm going to do, I will zoom to the moon. I think that's going to be my sentence today. I will zoom to the moon. Okay? So, starting with a capital letter, I. Finger space. W. I. Oh, thinking about those cursive letters. Make sure you do your nice letter formation. Oh, I don't like that one, Miss Richards. That wasn't very good. Try it again. Nice steady fingers. I will zoom. 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 I will zoom to. Tricky word. To. The. Tricky word. The. Moon. Finger space. Moon. You could even write, I will zoom to the moon in a rocket or on a spaceship. But I haven't got space on my sentence today, so I will stop there. I will zoom to the moon, full stop. Now, you could even, to try and help with your writing, you could ask your grown-up if they could try and draw you some lines on your whiteboard. If you've got a ruler, you could draw it with your ruler, or you could just use the edge of a book to help you draw a straight line. Okay, and that will really help you to stay inside the lines. And just sometimes our letters look a little bit big, and it will help keep them nice and neat. Okay, so I look forward to seeing that, and don't forget to tell me who won bingo. I'll see you tomorrow.